Once you have all your pieces created, so you have four long ones and two side shorter ones, the 4x4s. Once you have all those created, then what you want to do is you want to score all the edges. You can do this by taking a cutting tool and just scratching the sides. You can also do it with a fork or whatever you have available. The reason why we're actually scoring these sides is because the two roughed up edges kind of act as a Velcro, and they stick together a lot better than the two kind of smooth edges where they will kind of slide off each other more. So once you have all your pieces scored, then what we're going to do is we're going to start building. First, you want to make sure that it's not too rubbery. You want it to be a little bit more leather hard, and this piece is just about perfect. Take two pieces and make sure that they go together first off. And what you're going to do is you're going to be applying slip. Slip is simply just watered down clay that has broken down into kind of a sludge. And you'll just take a little bit, either with your finger or a tool or whatever you want to use, and just apply a little bit to one side and then apply a little bit to the other side as well. The slip is going to act as kind of a super glue for clay, and as it dries, it'll just become part of actually the clay, so it combines it into one piece. If you cut your two angles correctly, it should stand up by itself pretty well just with the slip, but it is not real strong. We're going to strengthen this corner joint a little bit by creating a coil. A coil is basically just a rolled up piece of clay, so kind of a snake shape or a worm shape, some people call it. So make sure that you get some good clay, and you don't need a lot. It's not going to be a large coil. Just kind of create a elongated shape and roll it on the table. If you over roll it or kind of play with it beforehand, it's going to dry out, and when coils dry out, they do not work at all, and they'll kind of break up and get real dry. So try not to overdo it. You just want to get a nice smooth long coil and place it within the inside corner of the box. Make sure that you're bracing on the back side as you push that coil into the gap. You don't want to push the box actually, or the one side over. And you're just going to simply kind of bring it up and bring it down and try to get rid of all the seams. If you can make a seamless creation out of slab building, you're doing a great job. Continue to kind of smooth that out. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flip it around, and the back side is still not really connected. So what you're going to have to do is just kind of pinch that or push it over. If the gap is too large, you might even need another coil in there, and that's not a problem either. Especially with the lid, you'll most likely need a couple coils on the outside as well. You're going to be continuing this process with every piece. If you use a piece that is going to be attaching to both sides, what you're going to need to do is do both those sides at once. So you'll put slip on all four sides, and as that piece connects, then you'll coil the inside two and pinch the outside two. And as you kind of go around, you'll need to do each section at a time, continuing the process of slipping and then coiling, and then folding the outside edges. Once you have all the edges done and you're ready to put on the top box, or the top piece of the box, it's going to be the same exact way, but except that you're not going to coil the inside. What you're going to actually do is once you get that box on there, the top on there, you're going to decide where you want to cut the lid. The lid will be cut at a 45-degree angle going down. First draw a line and then continuously cut one line all the way around the pot. That way the lid will lift right off and you can coil the inside. feel free to add designs or any kind of decorations, a handle, anything like that as well. Thanks for watching.